Today, introduce you a solar panel charger, which is effective and small device. You can charge laptop and cell phone. You can see charging the cell phone and the laptop. The input can be from solar panel or from AC/DC adapter. The built-in capacity of the lithium-ion battery is 13,200 mAh. You can select different input head to suit your computer or your smartphone. This is an LCD indicator to indicate the charging devices. And you can see there's a different voltage they can select to suit the electrical devices that you need to charge. Thank you.